Devin.
Hey.
Hey, you buy the house, you can sign a couple checks?
Yeah, I can sign some checks.
This ain't what you used to, I require more, better than we ever had before. Hoes gon' be hoes, so I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, niggas be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain now.
Hi, how are you? Yeah, I have an appointment.
Making plays till we crashing, yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Yeah. Dripping wetter from head to toe, la baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. That's from mine.
Hey, how are you? Good. Yes.
They gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas, stay down even when we not up. No way.
All right. Yeah. Here I had a radiology appointment. I was just walking around. I had no clue where I was supposed to go. So I thought it was a surgery check appointment. It's a radiation check appointment. But I wasn't sure.
Forget, let's remind them, be my rider. All gas, no way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. Oh.
See, this is the problem with me and vlogging. It is October 10th, and I just left Don Bailey. Like, I just ordered some carpet and tile for the house that I'm building in Fort Lauderdale. But I should have been vlogging in there. Like, and this is the problem. I'm always forgetting to pull out the camera and vlog. And then when I got on the expressway just now, I was thinking, you should have been vlogging. So, yeah. Now I'm on my way back home, because this is the day after the hurricane hit, and we really didn't get anything. We didn't get anything. Today is the most beautiful day. If you can see behind me, beautiful. And we didn't even hardly get any rain, right? We got a little bit of wind, hardly no rain, and today is absolutely beautiful. So tomorrow will be school. That'll be Friday, because today's Thursday. And yeah, so the kids are at home. I'm about to go back home, feed Kimura. I might stop at Starbucks, get a tea or something. But yeah, I am the worst when it comes to vlogging, and I just need to be more organized about it. And another thing, I'm always thinking, like, these vlogs, and I know in Vlogtober people are vlogging every day, so it's not supposed to be that exciting, because who's doing something with excitement every single day? Uh-oh. Y'all fell. Doing something with excitement every single day. But I don't know. You know, would it have been exciting to see me order carpet and tile for the house? Not really. But yeah. So, I don't know.
Every inch of our skin is the blueprint. Follow the lines. They act like they forget. Let's remind them. Be my ride. Okay.
In the morning, I gotta take wake up much earlier. Because normally I would take Kamora to school, but today I gotta take Quentin to school. And what else? Yeah, so I'm about to, I just wanted to make sure I started vlogging for Vlogtober, because I want to make sure I get something today so I can post something, because it's already the 11th and I only posted one video. I'm gonna take Grantee and Kamora. They go to 2 separate schools, so that's why we gotta be out real early. We gotta be out by 7:45. I started having some hormonal breakouts on my forehead and stuff. Then I started using, after I did some research, and they were like, sulfur soap is excellent for any type of breakout. It doesn't matter if it's bacterial, hormonal, whatever. I started using the 10% sulfur soap just once a day. I absolutely love this soap. I need to get a soap holder. I just always keep putting it back in the box, and it looks like it never runs out, because I've had this bar soap for months, and it still looks brand new.
Keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high. Can we stay high, babe? Rather be on that way. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of that.
I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone and the presence I get careless. Long as you know I come with it. Still it, let my mind digest. You got the leverage. You got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered. We fight retreating, then fuck, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blameless, make amends, know you can, I'm out here.
Trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane, either way, baby, we could go on. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Told you you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that. Trying to control our emotions.
Gracie, are you down here getting ready? Okay. Make sure you use that brush very good. And your tongue? You seem like you brushed them really fast. Brush that bottom roll one more time.
Keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. You'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high?
My phone is right here, my bad.
You basically just walk to school and walk right back.
Yeah, that's true. Winston too.
I'm not sure to walk to Winston School with you. I feel like bike is better. Because it's close, but not that close.
Yeah, it's a little bit further than the keys.
Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb the way you dress and gone. Flex and hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage. You got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of 1,000,000 more of the storms that we weathered. We fight retreating, then fuck, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blameless, make amends. Know you can, I'm out here.
Trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go on. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. I require more, better than we ever had before. Hoes gon' be hoes, so I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, niggas be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bang making plays till we crashing. Yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Yeah. Dripping wetter from head to toe, la baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind them, be my rider. All gas. No way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas. Stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. On God, they could only try to keep up. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. I know you grateful that I stayed down. We either pass in the past, that's all done now. Glad that we stayed down. We gon' pull up in a whip, start a new trend. Every inch of our skin is the blueprint. Follow the lines. They act like they forget, let's remind them. Be my ride. All gas. No way they can never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas. Stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. Oh God, they could only try to keep up. All gas, all gas. This ain't what you used to, I require more, better than we ever had before. Hoes gon' be hoes, so I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, niggas be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bang making plays till we crashing. Yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Dripping wetter from head to toe, la baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine.
Okay, so finished straightening up Kamora's room. I am going to do a few other little things, and then I need to run to the bank because I have to go get my nails, and my nails need to be done. They look a mess. Well, they look probably better than they actually look. This hand actually looks pretty perfect, but this hand is falling apart. So, like this finger here. And this finger here. So, anyway, but I get my nails done and my toenails done today. So I'm gonna finish straightening up, and I'll pick back up with you all when I'm on my way to the bank, and then on my way to get my nails done. Ain't what you used to, I require more, better than we ever had before. Hoes gon' be hoes, so I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, niggas be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bang making plays till we crashing. Yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene.
baby mean. Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind them, be my ride. All gas, no way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas, stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. On God, they could only try to keep up. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. I know
Hello,
the way
Devin.
that I
Hey.
sit down. We eat a
Hey,
piece in the past,
you buy the house, you can sign a couple checks?
Yeah, I can sign some checks. Wait.
Okay, I'm gonna go by the office and pick them up. Go ahead.
Okay, you coming now? Cause I'ma leave. I'ma leave
Probably
around.
another 30 minutes.
Oh, okay. Cause I was gonna say I'ma leave around 11.
Oh, no, I'm gonna come now. I'm in Miami now. I'll be down there in about 30 minutes, 20, 30 minutes.
Did they call you about the tile?
What'd you say? Did they do what?
Did they call you about the tile?
No, they didn't call me yet.
The
And
child
time got
delivery?
there, but I got the bathroom there. I'm gonna call them now and see if I can get an update. I'm gonna call them and see if they got an update for the thing.
Oh, okay. But you got somebody there waiting just in case.
Yeah. No, they go right there. They got the Yeah, I got somebody there doing the drywall, to move the electric, and somebody there. The tile guys there. I told them to start on the bathroom.
Oh, okay. Good. So you went and picked up the tile for the bathroom?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Good. Cause I was wondering about that yesterday. I was like, man, I hope you already went and picked that up.
Yeah,
Okay.
I got it this morning.
How much did that come up to?
I had to get the the metal trim for it too.
You got a white trim?
Yeah.
Oh,
the
okay.
white metal trim. Yeah.
And then I need to order them kitchen cabinets. Bathroom cabinets. I need to measure.
Yeah,
I need to measure what size they need to be. Okay. So yeah, I'm here. Okay. Bye.
Okay. All right.
This ain't what you used to, I require more.
Hey.
Than we ever had before. Hoes gon' be hoes, so I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want?
Wait, are you sure?
I am no wave, niggas be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing.
Hey, Devin.
Are you sure? Cause I'm gonna be right here in front of UM. If you want to,
I gotta. Well,
if you want to just, if you want to, how many checks you need? Didn't I have one left over from, how many you need?
I need 2.
I know for sure I had one left over from when I signed checks, day before yesterday. Was that yesterday or day before yesterday? That was day before yesterday.
No, I just got to meet this guy in Miami. Well, I think I should be able to make it. I just didn't want to hold you up in case I wasn't. Thank you.
No. I'm just going right here to get my nails done at 11:30. But if you get here by like 11:15, I'll be there. Cause it's right by UM. We right here.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna try to make it. I got to meet this guy in Miami to do this walk around inspection, and then I'm on my way.
Okay, no problem.
All right.
Every inch of our skin is the blueprint. They act like they forget, let's remind them. Be my ride. All gas, no way they can never pace us. No way they could ever break us.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm back from getting my nails done. I always feel like new money when I finish getting my nails done and I got my feet done. Like it's just like blue. Anyway, it look almost white.